How you guys doing today? I'm here at Greenwich Infiniti, and they were nice enough to lend me some of these cars they have in stock to go over the Bluetooth systems on how to connect your iPhone to them. In this video, we'll be going over the brand new QX50. There's a car inside that they've given me to use. We'll be heading there in a second. Just kind of wanted to let you know what the car looked like in the sun. It is a striking car. So let's go on inside and check out the infotainment system. And this is the QX50 that we'll be using for our demo today. Again, it's all new for 2019. You can see in this reflection here, it is the Essential trim, and that comes standard with a lot of the active safety features as well as the navigation. This one also has the upgraded heating package as well as the Bose surround sound system. First things first, let's turn on the ignition, push button start. Now, Infiniti is unique as it does these two screens in the center. Most other brands these days are doing kind of just one, either screen up here that's done with a dial or done with touch. Infiniti still is utilizing this dual screen that they introduced in the QX50 back in the day, or the Q50, sorry, and they're kind of sticking with it. So without further ado, basically all of the controls for everything besides navigation and the steering wheel controls is done on this bottom screen, and everything on the top screen is going to be your voice controls as well as navigation. So on my phone, I'm going to unlock it, and you have to go into your Bluetooth settings. You want to leave it on this screen here and make sure that your phone is discoverable. Now on this screen, a good, quick, easy way to restart is clicking the menu button. It always will bring you right here. What you want to do is click the phone button. Now it says no phone connected. Basically, Infiniti allows you to connect up to 5 devices. You can see right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now it's going to show up on your phone as My Car. So basically, we have to just wait for it to show up. Towards the bottom there, you can see it. I got to click. And now an important part is you do want to say allow to make sure you access the best of the system. So click allow. The car will absorb your contacts in your call list. So you can see there, it was done successfully. You get basically the icon tab, and the middle 2 boxes here will start rendering once they're done loading into the phone. Now, just to go over, you do have a favorites tab here. Your call history will be the next tab over. I'll go ahead and click that. Now there's a couple of different ways you can view this. This is going to be received and missed, all calls basically. This is going to be missed calls. This is going to be dialed calls. And then this is going to be received calls, and they're all independent. So if you're accessing someone who just called you, you can kind of split up the list easily that way. There's a back arrow right there. Your phone book will be your whole contacts list from your phone. Dialed numbers gives you a dial pad, and down below you can select independent phones as the phone or the audio player. Now to get to the audio player, the Bluetooth audio, there's going to be an audio button down here. You want to go ahead and click that. And then up at the top, you're going to want to click the BTA, which stands for Bluetooth Audio. Now, whatever is playing through your phone will automatically start playing on the screen. There is a folders track tab here, and you can kind of clunkily go through some playlists on your phone. If you're streaming, it doesn't work too well. So basically, this is going to display information, but to change, you can do it from here. Otherwise, if you want to pick a specific new playlist or a specific new song, you're going to still have to probably go to your phone, unfortunately. Now, as far as USB ports, there are 2 here that will connect to the car and allow your phone to play hardwired in the iPod mode. There is another one in here specifically only for charging, and then there's another one in the back specifically for charging. Besides that, on the steering wheel, you do have a dedicated phone button right here, and that will bring up phone controls on the top screen. Again, Infiniti is kind of it's a unique system to say the least, where they have controls for the phone down here, but then the controls for the steering wheel don't pop up on that screen. They pop up on the center screen up here. Now you do have a fair amount of controls though, because you do have this rocker switch here, and you actually will go through all of your options on the top screen. So for instance, if I go to call history, you click down, OK.
Test.
Basically, it's going to read to you out loud what the
Test 3
contact name is, and then you basically click OK again to dial. There's also a back arrow right here. Now, finally, voice controls is right here.
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command.
And basically, it's going to give you a lady who speaks, and then you basically can talk to the car, whatever mode you're kind of highlighting here. And again, you use the steering wheel,
audio, phone,
to select. And basically, once you're hovering over a phone, you can say all of these commands here, or you can press the talk button again. So if I click OK, it'll give you all of the commands.
Please say or select a phone command. Dial. Say call, followed by a contact name stored in your handset phone book.
And then there's the back button as well to go back out. So all in all, it's a pretty easy system to get used to. A little bit interesting why they kind of split up the screens like that. Again, they've stuck with it this far. I guess they put a lot of research and development into it. It works fairly well. If you guys have any additional questions, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.